professions like you all people, the fire, safety and emergency service personnel. So in the wake of the bad event which had recently in Sonsato, we thought that it's our bit of responsibility to show at least awareness camp and screening of lung health for the personnel which are more exposed to the situations of this, like uncontrolled situations like fire emergency, where the direct exposure of all the fire personnel is there. So I thank sir for such a great opportunity to give us to conduct a special event and screening program for all the you people for lung safety and awareness how we have to do a protection.
Incidentally, the Sonsoda garbage fire incident, which we all know, and our firefighters have done a wonderful job. I think we should give them a very big hand for that. And this incident, which started on 27/5 and it was totally fire extinguished on 4th of June. I personally led the operation, and we have seen that in the initial first day, I would imagine when the fire had started, the amount of smoke because of the unsegregated garbage which was dumped there, and the fire which started within the garbage dump, there was so much of smoke that even a firefighter having the PPEs could not stand there. So just imagine the type of smoke which was emanating from that garbage dump. And then we fought that. We were there day in and day out, and from 27th onwards till 4th, we had the officers, the firefighters, the driver operators, all on the field doing their bit and finally controlling the fire and extinguishing the fire. That is when Mr. Samuel Jones from Manipal Hospital, he mentioned to me and to my colleague officer Mr. Nilesh that they would like to conduct a pulmonary lung function test for our firefighters. I said that is the best opportunity to check my colleagues who were there on the scene of fire on the Sonsoda garbage incident, to test their lung function, because that is very important for us, the breathing and the whether we are young. You people are all young, but still we need to prevent we need to take care of ourselves so that we last our full 30-35 years of service. So that is how Mr. Samuel of Manipal Hospitals came up with this good initiative, and we grabbed that initiative. And here we have Dr. Prabhu, the consultant pulmonologist. In spite of their busy schedule, they have come here, and we will be testing at least around 100 firefighters who have come from different parts of the state, and they are willingly participating in this event.